mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. September 1, 2024, unang karera sa buwan ng September, araw ng linggo, 7 races, almost all races, 1,400, maliban sa race 2, isang stake race. Ang umpisa ng karera, alas 2 ng hapon. Race 1, first choice number 2, Jengs, head and up. Second choice number 1, Cristiano. Race 2, ito yung stake race, may distance na 1,600 meter. Ito ang 3-year-old imported and local challenge race. First choice natin, number 5, Birdstone. Second choice, number 2, Part-Time Lover. Race 3. First choice, number 1, Flywheel. Second choice, number 2, Malibu Bell. Race 4. First choice, number 6, Eye in the Sky. Second choice, coupled entry, 5, Big Battle. 5A, Open Billing. Race 5, first choice number 2, Light Bearer. Second choice number 3, Marilag. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 1, Calendar Girl. Second choice number 3, My Jopay. Third choice number 7, Super Majority. Race 7, last race na mga Super 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 1, Go Aidan Go. Second choice number 8, Polite Bell. Last time out na takbo, naiwan sa salida. Sana iba ng storya ngayon, makalabas ng maayos. Third choice, number 7, Bohemian. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!